dancing contingents, and as we marvel at the vibrance of our Parada sa Pasko participants, let the magic of the season inspire us to become better Dabaweños. Let us be the light that will illuminate the path for a brighter future for our families and our beloved Davao City.
Because of course, alam naman namin lahat na para sa mga Dabaweños, Christmas is not just a time, it's not simply just tradition, but it is a state of mind for each and every one of you. Kaya naman, we are super thankful, we are super and forever in gratitude to our Honorable Mayor, Sebastian Duterte, for being and for bringing the spirit of Christmas to each and every Dabaweño.
The Dabaweños and guests in celebrating the holidays' festive fusion of music, talent, and creativity. 3 days before Christmas, it is our hope that tonight's enchanting beats and dazzling visual symphony from our contingents will fill our hearts with warmth and resonate the profound joy of the Yuletide season.
Nalipay kasi first time ako na mag-appeal dire, which is the Bago Elementary School. So, na-happy mi kay murag experience po sa mga bata kay first time po yun nila. So, wala man mi kadaog, pero at least na-applian niya as consolation prize. So, nako na kayo na siya kanang impact sa mua kay at least ang mga bata nag-enjoy po sila sa ilahang show.
So, kami malipayon kami no bilang mga ginikanan nga support kita ni so sa kaning event. Pasalamat mi labi na sa banpod nga nakadaog og sa wala nakadaog og sa diri sa City Davao. Salamat sa suporta og paghatag og chance sa mga bata nga yani nga maka-appeal sila. No, so we are so blessed and thankful.
To every contingent and individual who participated to bring this event to life, thank you for your effort in creating this jovial atmosphere. All of you are already winners as you foster the holiday cheers that will surely imprint merry memories in our hearts.
We experience a smooth and grandiose na event. Daghan kayong mga lines and grabe ang pagka-smooth sa event. Na-enjoy me sa pag-appeal and nakaluyan me sa pag-appeal sa competition na naka-third me sa Pasko Fiesta Banda Dasit.
Our third place sa Parada sa Pasko, ladies and gentlemen, is entry number
10, the Toy and Candyland Christmas.
The second placer for the Parada sa Pasko, entry number
9, the Nativity Float. First place,
Parada sa Pasko, entry number
11,
Enchanted Christmas. Third place,
entry number
16, Catalunan Pequeño Drum and Bell Corps. Winning 300,000 pesos is entry number 21, Vigo City National High School Marching Band.
And the winner is entry number 4,
Magallanes Elementary School Drum and Corps.
Hinaot nga padayon ang atong pagsidlak sa kahayag dala sa gugmag kalipay. Malipayong Pasko ug malinawong bagong tuig Daghang salamat sign our City Mayor Sebastian Zimmerman Duterte. Daghang salamat and God bless.
Kainit sa gugma, kasinag sa kasadya. Kainit sa gugma, kasinag sa kasadya.
Kainit sa gugma, kasinag sa kasadya. Pasko Fiesta 2023!
Okay, say yeah. Here we go.